In today's rapidly changing business environment, organizations face a complex web of risks. These risks, if not managed effectively, can hinder their ability to achieve strategic objectives and create value. Enterprise risk management, or ERM, is a structured and disciplined approach to managing these risks. It provides a framework for identifying, assessing, and responding to potential threats and opportunities. ERM is not merely a compliance function. It is a strategic tool that empowers organizations to make informed decisions and enhance their resilience. This essay will outline a comprehensive roadmap for implementing ERM from scratch, guiding organizations on their journey to success. A well-implemented ERM system provides numerous benefits. It enhances decision-making by providing a holistic view of risks and opportunities. ERM improves risk response by enabling organizations to develop proactive mitigation strategies. By optimizing capital allocation, organizations can prioritize resources towards areas with the greatest potential return. Moreover, ERM enhances stakeholder confidence by demonstrating a commitment to risk management and corporate governance. The journey to mastering ERM begins with a clear understanding of the organization's risk profile. This involves identifying potential threats and opportunities that could impact the achievement of strategic objectives. Once the risks are identified, they need to be assessed based on their likelihood and potential impact. This assessment forms the foundation for developing effective risk response strategies. The subsequent sections will delve deeper into each step of the ERM implementation process, providing practical insights and guidance for organizations to establish a robust risk management framework. From conducting an initial risk assessment to fostering a risk-aware culture, this essay will equip readers with the knowledge and tools to navigate the complexities of ERM and unlock its transformative potential. Implementing ERM from scratch requires a systematic approach. The first step is to establish a solid foundation. This involves conducting a comprehensive enterprise risk assessment, or ERA. The ERA should encompass all aspects of the organization, identifying potential risks across different functions and departments. Once the ERA is complete, the next step is to create a shared risk management vision. This vision should be aligned with the organization's overall strategic objectives. It should articulate the importance of ERM and how it will contribute to the organization's success. A shared vision provides a common understanding and direction for all stakeholders involved in risk management. To provide leadership and oversight for the ERM program, it is crucial to form a senior executive working group. This group, comprising key decision-makers, should be responsible for providing guidance, allocating resources, and monitoring the progress of ERM implementation. Their active involvement ensures that risk management remains a top priority for the organization. Building a foundation for ERM also requires establishing a common risk language. This involves developing a consistent set of definitions and terminologies for risk-related concepts. A common language facilitates effective communication and understanding among all stakeholders. It helps to avoid confusion and ensures that everyone is on the same page when discussing risk. With a solid foundation in place, organizations can move on to implementing and enhancing their ERM capabilities. This phase involves developing a robust risk management framework. The framework should outline the processes and procedures for identifying, assessing, responding to, and monitoring risks. A critical aspect of implementation is aligning ERM with existing business processes. Integrating risk management into day-to-day operations ensures that it becomes an integral part of the organizational culture. It also helps to embed risk awareness into decision-making at all levels. Effective risk response is crucial for mitigating potential threats and capitalizing on opportunities. Organizations should develop a range of risk response strategies, including risk avoidance, reduction, transfer, and acceptance. The chosen strategy will depend on the nature of the risk, its potential impact, and the organization's risk appetite. Once the initial ERM framework is in place, organizations should focus on enhancing their capabilities. This includes implementing tools and technologies to support risk management processes. For instance, organizations can leverage risk management software to automate tasks such as risk identification, assessment, and reporting. Implementing ERM is an ongoing journey that requires continuous monitoring and improvement. Regularly reviewing and updating the ERM framework ensures that it remains relevant and effective in the face of evolving risks and business dynamics. Organizations should establish metrics and key risk indicators, or KRIs, to track the performance of their ERM program. Effective stakeholder engagement is crucial throughout the ERM journey. Organizations should communicate regularly with stakeholders, providing updates on the progress of ERM implementation and its impact on the organization. Transparency and open communication build trust and confidence among stakeholders. By embracing ERM as an integral part of their operations, organizations can reap significant benefits. Improved decision-making is a key advantage, as ERM provides a structured approach to identifying and assessing risks, enabling more informed choices. Enhanced risk response capabilities allow organizations to proactively address potential threats and minimize their impact. Furthermore, ERM optimizes capital allocation by directing resources towards areas with the greatest potential return and risk mitigation. By demonstrating a commitment to risk management, organizations can enhance stakeholder confidence, including investors, customers, and regulators. This increased confidence translates into a stronger reputation, improved access to capital, and sustainable business growth. In conclusion, implementing ERM from scratch is an investment that yields substantial returns. By following a systematic approach, organizations can build a robust risk management framework that protects and creates enterprise value. As risks continue to evolve in today's dynamic business landscape, mastering ERM is no longer a choice, but a necessity for organizations striving to thrive in the face of uncertainty.